Hey everyone, it's Everything Abe here, and in today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at something that I think a lot of people should, should take a look at if they can. And it's the first version of Office. Now, it isn't necessarily the first version per se. It's actually more of the third version. It's actually the third version, not the first. The first and second version came out for macOS, unfortunately, so I cannot back when it was called System. So I cannot, unfortunately, get it working here. So instead, what we got is Office 3.0, the first version to come out for Windows. Now, I was originally concerned that it wouldn't work here because the architecture is x86, which is a different architecture from Intel's x86 64 architecture. And basically, we're going to take a look at it today. So apparently it's a CD that has floppies stitched into one. I don't know how, but we're gonna take a look at it. Okay, so we're just gonna click setup, and it's gonna set up PowerPoint. So you can see here it says over here, welcome to Microsoft PowerPoint. This setup program will install PowerPoint on your computer and close any applications, but of course I have everything closed. Here I have VMware tools, so that's just, oh, I guess. I mean, I found this on WinWorld, so I don't know why it says this exactly. I mean, I hope I do not get prosecuted or whatever. Oh, it's setting up PowerPoint. Okay, so I guess this is how setup went. I'm not very familiar with it, so I think I'm just going to tell it to install PowerPoint. And, alright. I think the reason why it's, disk 1 is because it has to install every application separate from each other. Pretty annoying. I don't know, I found this on WinWorld, like I said, and, I didn't bother to take, like, a super good look at it, so this could be what we're looking at, or just PowerPoint for now. So I'm gonna install through everything, and then I'll come back when I've installed it. So I've installed PowerPoint. Great. Let's just try to make sure it's working right now. I don't want to open it yet, just so I don't spoil anything. Ugh, I already did. Okay. So it seems like I'm having a bit of a problem right now. First of all, I'm having a problem navigating Windows XP because suddenly the VM is all slow and stuff. And second of all, I'm just having a problem just doing anything. I don't know if this is supposed to work or not. Is this just PowerPoint? If it is, at least I'm just gonna be so sad. Oh no, there are other ones. Huh? Oh frick. They have anti-piracy measures. How do I alt-tab out of this? Go back to PowerPoint setup for a second. I need to see this. So it seems like they've installed some anti-piracy measures in this thing, and they're making it incredibly hard for me to do anything. I need to remember who this belongs to. Adriano A. Daniela. So let's write Adriano E. Daniela here. It is... Huh? I don't understand what it's telling me right now. Just don't update, please. Go through this quick. Click. Okay. Even though VMware officially supports it. Okay, so now that we're done Word, we can go back and install Excel as well. Yay! Alright. Why do I sound so tired? We've got Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, but where's Microsoft Word? Oh, it's in the Start menu. Let's see that. Oh, there we go. There's all of them. So I think we can delete Adriano A. Daniela's name, and we can go down here and view what's up with this. So first, let's try Word. I like Word. Huh? Oh, cool. I can still open it. So this looks pretty different. If you've ever used Office 97, you'll know it looks pretty similar to Office 97, except without Clippy, and it looks quite good. I mean, somehow it works on my 1920 by 1080 display. If you saw the If you saw the Office 2010 video, you'll know that did not work on my 1920 by 1080 display, but it works here. I can type stuff. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Alright, so Word looks like anything that it was from from the era and stuff, and you can see it is a lot more what do you call it? It's a lot more PC friendly here than on later versions of Word, and it looks like we have a lot of options. It just looks really useful. I'm interested to see whether or not this could run on Windows 10. I might try that later or sometime. But next we're going to look at Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet application, so yeah, so I mean these launch instantly. Oh, it looks like there's lessons, I guess, for Excel. So I think I'm going to tell it the basics, and it has this guide, pretty helpful. I don't see anything here, so I think I'll... How do you... What? Okay, you know what? I'm exiting out of the thing. Sorry, Excel. Anyways, looks like you have windowed sheets, so that means if I open a new sheet, I can just, new worksheet. I can have two sheets at the same time. This is quite useful. This is more useful than having them in two separate windows, having them in the same window in two different, like these. This just is a lot more useful. I really like this, honestly. I think they should remake this in the newest version of Excel. And of course, it has that same compact look, and of course you have everything nice about Excel. I don't know if you can create charts here. Probably not gonna even bother. Looking at the options here, and it looks like there is no option to create charts. Alright, so we're gonna X out of this, and then probably my favorite tool, PowerPoint. I like PowerPoint a lot. Lol. And you can see here we have PowerPoint. PowerPoint. Yay. I feel special for typing that. Next we're going to type a blah blah paragraph. Blah blah. Copy. Space. Paste. Go. Yeah, boy. And of course when we want to make a new slide and pretty much disregard anything we want to do, we can just click here and it'll add another slide. Now this slider here is not the most practical thing. It's much nicer on the newer versions. But the good news is you can have two slideshows open at the same time, side to side. Now I'm pretty sure this is not how it was back in whenever it was released, as displays were really low thingy there, low res back in the day. But yeah, this looks really cool. I can't figure out how to unfull screen, so I'm just gonna X all documents. And yeah, that's the only thing for this. There was no email back then. I don't think there's no public access for email. So that's it for Office 3.0. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you really did, comment down below if you want to see me running this on Windows 10. I think I'd be able to. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. You know what to do if you like this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!